Hey folks, welcome back to another Motivational Monday. Do you like that name for Monday videos? Motivational Monday? I thought about Maintenance Monday. What do you think? What should I call these Monday videos? Obviously we've got Q&A Wednesday, but I need a name. I need a catchy name for Monday's videos. So today I'm going to share with you one of the most important morning routines for skincare. And this goes for everybody. This is 100% free. It should be available to most people as long as you live in the right sort of climate. You'll understand what I mean when I show you. So here in the UK and in anywhere else that has a similar climate, when you have a really clear night, you wake up in the morning and on the grass there's dew, and this dew is like distilled water. It's the most pure water that you will have free, easy access to. And what I like to do in the morning is get that dew, scrape it off the top of the grass just with my hand like this, and put it onto my skin. So I put it onto my face like this. I put it up my arms and onto my feet and up my legs, and particularly anywhere that I used to have eczema. It just feels so cleansing. Your skin feels so clean after doing this. If you live in a climate where you have access to this, please give it a try. Let me know how it makes you feel. As I say, I use this as part of my morning grounding process where I like to walk barefoot on the grass and get reconnected with the earth. Sounds a bit woo-woo, sounds a bit crazy, but it really does help with rest, recovery, recuperation of every kind. If you've got any sort of inflammation in your body, it's going to help with this, and it definitely helps with eczema. So if you're in the UK, or if you're in Canada or anywhere where you have this sort of situation, this is one of the benefits. When I'm living in the tropics, like when I'm living in Thailand, I don't have the same opportunity to do this because the climate's just different. There's higher humidity there and it's basically too warm. But here in the UK, the early morning dew is a gift if you have any sort of skin condition. From my days working in the water treatment industry, I know that this stuff is pure because it's naturally purified. You don't need a distiller, you don't need anything to treat the water before you apply it to your skin. Nature has done it for you. It's absolutely purified it, and the little droplets of water look so beautiful sitting there on the ends of the blades of grass, just ready to be swiped off and used to cleanse the skin. There's no cleaner water. There's no more amazing natural substance that you will find that you can put on your skin so safely and so helpfully and so freely available every morning. I hope you've enjoyed this little tip. Let me know what you think I should be calling these Monday videos. Stay tuned for videos every Monday and Wednesday, and if you want a question featured in Wednesday's Q&A, drop me a line, info@eczemahealing.org, or direct message me on Instagram @eczemahealing. We'll see you again soon in another video.